In one of my previous projects, I've showed how to plot sensor readings on a local web server using an ESP. I've received many comments asking on how to access that data from anywhere in the world. That's what we're going to do in today's video. There are many cloud solutions, both free and paid, that you can use to publish your readings, but those services can have several disadvantages. Restrictions on how many readings you can publish. Number of connect devices. Who can see your data? Additionally, the cloud service can be discontinued or changed at any time. The goal of this project is to have your own domain name and a hosting account that allows you to store your ESP32 or ESP8266 sensor readings. You can visualize the readings from anywhere in the world by accessing your own domain name. I recommend using Bluehost as your hosting provider because they can handle all the project requirements. Bluehost has cPanel and comes with a free domain name when you sign up for the 3-year plan. However, you can use any other hosting service that offers PHP and MySQL. If you don't have a hosting account, I would appreciate if you sign up for Bluehost using my link, which doesn't cost you anything extra and helps support my work. You can find the link below this video. After signing up for a hosting account and setting up a domain name, you can log into your cPanel or similar dashboard. After that, you need to create your database, username and password. If you don't know exactly how to do it, there are step-by-step instructions with screenshots on my blog that you can follow. Then, simply run this SQL query in your ESP_data database to create your sensor table. Having your sensor table created, you'll also need 2 PHP scripts, one to insert the data in your database and another to access the readings in the database and plot them on a chart. Create a file in public_HTML directory with this name and copy the following PHP script. Before saving the file, you need to modify the DB name, username and password variables with your unique details. After that, save the file and continue with this tutorial. If you try to access your domain name in this URL path, you'll see the following message. Create another PHP file in the public_HTML directory that will display all the database content. Name your new file with this name. Edit the new file and copy the following code. After adding the DB name, username and password, save the file and continue with this project. Now, if you try to access your domain name in the following URL path, you'll see these empty charts, which means that everything is ready. Next, you'll learn how to insert data from your ESP32 or ESP8266 into the database. This project is compatible with any ESP32 or ESP8266 development board. You just need to assemble a simple circuit and upload the sketch provided to insert temperature, humidity, pressure into your database every 30 seconds. Here's what you'll need for this project: an ESP32 or ESP8266 board, a BME280 sensor. The schematic for the ESP32 looks like this. And this is the ESP8266 circuit. You'll also need the ESP32 or ESP8266 add-on installed in your Arduino IDE to program your board. Copy the following code to your Arduino IDE. You need to make some changes to make it work for you. First, insert your network credentials. You also need to type your domain name so the ESP publishes the readings to your server. Upload a sketch to your ESP. Then open the Arduino IDE serial monitor to see if your readings are being published successfully to your server. Open a browser and type the domain name. You should see 3 charts. A new data point is added every 30 seconds to a total of 40 points. You just need to refresh the web page to see the latest readings. You can select each point to see the exact timestamp. You can also add more charts to this project if you want to display data from other sensors. For the complete step-by-step instructions, click the first link in the video description. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to watch my next ESP projects.